Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. In this video, I'm going to show you the way that you can fix the WhatsApp web login problem. If you're having issues trying to log into your WhatsApp using the web version, the first thing that you can try out is try to simply refresh the page. So just enter in the URL and then try to refresh this page first of all. Also, you'll need to ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can also try switching between different networks. The other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the browser cache or the cookies. So just head over to the three dotted line on the top right and then head over to delete browsing data. Right here, you need to head over to more options and make sure that at least last 24 hours is selected, and you can just tap on the delete data option. Make sure that the cookies and site data is selected as well as cache images and files are selected. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now log in. If you're still having issues, what you can also do is try to restart your phone. If you're currently trying to log into your WhatsApp using a desktop, you'll also need to ensure that you disable any sort of unnecessary extensions that you might have added in. Now, even after doing all of these steps, if you're still having issues, the other thing that you can also try out is try to log into the web version of WhatsApp using a different device. So for example, if you're currently trying to log in using a phone, you can try switching to a different device such as your laptop and try to see if the login is successful. If you're having login issues there as well, then it is likely the case and the problem from the WhatsApp side. So you just need to wait out a couple of minutes and sometimes even a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.